喂，没看到我吗？
看不到您的画面。
能听到我声音吗？我就不用露脸的。
听得到声音，听得到声音，没有看到屏幕共享。
哦，主持人不说话吗？
没有，今天您直接开屏，对，因为昨天跟他们介绍过。
我共享了屏幕，大家能看到吗？
看得到了，看得到了。
OK。Okay. Hi, everyone. Hello, friends. I'm a chief expert of this international training camp, Zhang Yibo. This afternoon, we will start learning Tableau Desktop, which is one of the required competition content and of our breaks competition. So, in order to learn Tableau, we first need to understand what is Tableau. This afternoon, our companion meeting, data analysis and visualization of Tableau. I'm from Henan Institute of Economics and Trade. According to its website's own description, Tableau is one of the world's leading analytic platform. Successfully, business forecast, decision, and strategies are driven by data. Their slogan is analytics for everyone, for anywhere. Sounds like a very attractive software. Their website goes on to say, Tableau helps people see and understand the data. Our visual analysis platform is transforming the way people use data to solve problems. C. Why organizations outside trust Tableau to have them to be more data-driven? Here, we can find several keywords: understand the data, use data to solve problems, and data-driven. As we know, to be a data scientist, our purpose is to describe, predict, and give advice. So Here's the summary statement. As the market leading choice for modern business intelligence, our analytics platform makes it easier for people to explore and manage the data, and faster to discover and share insights that can change businesses and to the world. The content of training this afternoon is divided into 4 parts. The first part is the brief introduction of platform, and the second part is the introduction of the connected data, how to connect the data. For example, how you connected file data and how to connect it various database and so on. These 2 parts are very simple. It won't take you too much time. Just listen carefully, but they have a particularly important significance for the subsequent work. The third part is a dashboard. We would make a dashboard. For how do you make a dashboard? And we need to do one by one visual chart, and then combine it together. In this part of learning, we mainly follow the teacher's option. I don't know what your platform looks like, what kind of interface it is. Software language, I choose English. My version and yours may be a little different. Mine is the latest version of 2022.2.2. Let's open the software. Have a look. So you can see the software. Okay. I opened the software is 2022.2.2. This is the latest version of Tableau. My version and yours may be a little different. The difference in software does not affect our operation, because the upgrade only changed very little, or the parts we use do not change at all. If you want to save version of your software, you can save it by operating help. Selecting about always at the end of the menu bar and select about Tableau. You will see your version. So this part is mainly to following the operation. If you don't follow through, you may forget how to do it, which will be disadvantageous for the rest of your computation. The last part of the lecture is the trained analysis and the simple prediction of Tableau insights, which is also one of the special features of Tableau. Okay, let's start. Now, when you open Tableau, the home page looks like this. The first one is the first one. I have pocketed 1, 2, 3, 4 file error. The first one is a logo icon. No matter your version in any area, you can click it and you will be back to the home page. Now let's have a presentation. I open my Tableau. When I use the simple silver stars and open this, or I have analyzed anything, but when you want to go back, I press here. Now we can go back. Your version should also Part 2. The 2 is a connected pan. Connected pan. This is a very important area in the software. This is you will connect the Tableau server to find the data. That means you will have a Tableau server address and you have some data putting on it. This part 2 of file, this is we usually use because this afternoon we will use text file. Excel, you can connect these files to data. First Excel, text file, and the JSON file, Access, or PDF, more. And again, we will find some database. If you are in a company, your office have a database, whether you are SQL Server or MySQL or Oracle, or Amazon, that is all affiliated. This is part 2. You connect and find some data. Part 3 is name is Accelerate. This is a view from the Tableau desktop. Is it called the simple workbooks? Sample workbooks. You will also have this icon. Let's see. Yeah. No matter your operation in any. Okay. Lesson part 4 is whether you is your workspace here. If you can open workbooks that you are already created. For example, I have also created a Superstore book 2022, 1020, and book 1, and the channel analysis. This is I have opened a workbook. I have done the work in this area. The last area is discover. Discover. You can find some training. If you find any question, you would get this to find the answer. Studied, connect data, how to do this, and some resources. So we have already description the homepage of software. Now we go on our training. Now, first example, we should do a simple. We just create a simple summary. Let's operate it first. Find the bottom to do this example. Now I will operate it once here. Now you can see. Now let me say it again. We drive cells, rows. Slide the mouse over the chart. We drag the order date to columns, and we drive cells to rows. Then we return a chart. When your mouse slide over the chart, you will see the number. Now let's operate it. We'll open the home page of software. Now we click a sample Superstore. You will go to Tableau Book 1 and Sheet 1 and this source example. Now this is our data. I open it twice, so it has a number 2. So we can delete it. Well, it's not important. So we will draw order date to columns. drag into columns. So you will find there all the data changed to year here, year. Now, if we click the add, we'll find the quarter. Now we can delete it, remove it. Click here, we can move it to months. Oh, that's a lot. So first, we remove it. Let's do it again. Let's show all the data to columns and drag cells to rows. Now, when your mouse slide the line, you will find data, year of order data, 2021, cells number. That's easy. And anyone finish it. So that's very easy. We can drag the segment to the area and the chart we can. Now we look at the second picture. This picture I have already done that example and drag another category and subcategory to the columns. Now let's do it. We draw the category. We will find category or product. Click it, category, move it to column, and subcategory move to several 2. So we'll find the picture like this. Let's look at the graph again. When we've done this, we click show more. It will set up. If we want to see exactly 1 year or exactly 1 category, their series numbers, how to say it, and this is too long. And we will maximize or we can make it to see the picture. Okay. You add the filters to see 1 year. So we drag date, order date. Okay. Oh. We'll drag the category. Say year, order date. Order date. Years. We'll find there are 4 years. Okay. Now, click the show filter. We'll find all years. We can see all years, can see 2019. There's 2020 for 2 years. Or we will choose a category. The filter of furniture, office suppliers, and technical. Okay. So we show filter. It can show on the top right. On the top right, we will say 2020 furniture. Bookcase furniture. Okay, 2020 the 4 the three categories there. The first one is this. So I have finished this. Let's do it. Give you 3 minutes to finish this. Any question, please read it in the dialogue box. Let's do it. So I will do it again. Back to here. And sample superstore. A new sheet. Do it again. Order data to columns. Views to rows. We'll drag products category to columns. Subcategory to columns 2. We will drag order date to filters. Choose year. Next. Okay. Drag views to filters. No. Drag the category to filters. There are 3 kinds of category. Okay. Then we show filter. And choose whatever you want to stay the numbers that are not previously shown. Okay, have you ever finished yet? I can't see the room dialog. You can see 3 minutes. Okay. This is the first page. If you had finished it, let's go on. We have just created a simple chart. Next to the next is the second part. Second part of our case study today, where we will use a complete Starbucks coffee cases to create a data analysis dashboard. Do a dashboard. Now let's begin. I don't know whether you have the numbers. You have the Excel word of the if you have the Starbucks location, Starbucks menu, nutrition drinks. Whether you have the 2 files. If you have the 2 files, then we will work with the 2 Excel files. Now, first, to a file column, then choose text file. Let's create it. Now it's okay. Here, strawberries. Okay, first let's choose text file. Then we choose Starbucks manual nutrition drinks. We choose this word, choose this file, and then open it. Again, we came to a next view with view of this connections to manual nutrition drinks. Now, if we are in here, not in sheet 1, so we need to click sheet 1. That's the one we delete it, delete it. Okay. We have a new sheet of close. Okay. If we have finished it, we close it. Then we have a new sheet. You have a new sheet. Again, text file, nutrition, drinks, open. Then we choose sheet 1. Mine is sheet 3. That doesn't matter. This is the number of the Excel file. You can see a buried coffee latte, mocha. We have all the Chinese name and the other numbers here. So we take a sheet 3. What's that? And we drag calories to rows, and at the same time we choose sum option to average. So let's do it. Calories to rows. This is sum. So we choose it. Left click, measure, average. Because sum mean nothing to me. So we use average or median. Max min is all we use. We use average. You can say all the categories of the coffee, their calories. Average number is 193. Now, if you want to know the calories of their every category, the calories number, I have a rank for them. So we drag a buried the column. This is this. You look like different with the picture in the slideshow, in the PowerPoint. So we can change it. Now we can use swap rows and rows, or Control plus W. Can also do this. Do it. You will say the buried. We draw the buried, but in the picture we draw the buried category. So that's every kind of the coffee's name. So we draw the buried category and we remove it. Remove buried. You can see it in the picture in the sun. So if you want to see which is the top step, so we choose it, sort, descend, listen. Field, we choose the field. Descend is like this. So we send descend or ascend. Okay. So let's do it again. Forage, remove it. We drag a forage category in the rows and choose sort. When you sorted by another data source order, not order, is the field. The field. This is ascending, but we know that descending. You see, the first book is the highest. So I can move the page. This is the standard, and the page is interview. So we choose entire view. So you see the same operator will do this. You can say forage category. 冰沙 has a very high progress. There a series of 冰沙 coffee. They have the most calories. If you lack energy, you maybe need this. If you have less sports, so you better not drink this kind of series. So now we will have a count discrete. You see a little different because we should use the beverage caffeine. If you want to drink caffeine, except the calories we are be careful of, and the caffeine is another important thing we have all really care about. So we first we put the caffeine. No, this is caffeine. This is caffeine, but this is tables. This is text, not number. So we operate this caffeine. First, we should change it to default properties, and the aggregation to average. So let's do it. This coffee. Well, we show right click, left click, properties, default properties, and we do aggregation to average. Because each category have average of coffee, consider coffee. So do it, we drag it to columns. We will see two charts in one picture. We can sort the picture is as I have option. We can also have this. This is a shortcut. And do this. Okay. Okay. Can you catch me? Does anyone has operated it? Okay. Now after this, I say it's a single color blue. So we want to make it more beautiful. How to do it? So after the corner, we can give a color to it. How to give colors? Now, every beverage category or caffeine occurs. Now, we make colors to color. Oh, very important. Very important. Colors to color. And change it to average. This is sum. Average to color. And the caffeine. Caffeine it has a default property aggregation average gel to color 2. If you caffeine, we should change the color because caffeine we click color, then edit colors. So we'll find more color here. We choose red sunrise. Diverted. Okay. Sunrise. So apply. Okay. Look, if you have more coffee, their color red. You make it okay. Colors. Which is green and red, or so you can change the color. Green and red. Green. We have reverse it. Apply. Okay, it's okay. The red color means very dangerous. Caffeine, if it has more caffeine in it, the man it's too exciting. There's something wrong. Okay, that's me. We have done all this. So the color we will have analyzed, give us some analyze because we want to say someone has upper the average or lower the average. So we need a line. So we click the upper left. Now we are in data. Then we will change it to analytic and draw average line to the chart. Now we are here. Now we click analytics. Then we find the average line. We drop average line into it. We will use the panel 2, 10, no table, no cell, 10. You will see 2 lines. That is the average number of each category. Project categories, calories or caffeine. If you need more energy, you you drink above line. If you need coffee, if you do not need too excited, you can choose above line kind of coffee. So now we have finished this sheet. So we changed a name. Name shift one as you like. So we right click here. We can give a color, or we can give a name, rename it. Right click here. The name is categories. No, name is categories. Then we have finished sheet one. I will give you 3 minutes to follow up me. I don't know whether you have done it. Okay. And I will do it again. So let's see. The first one. I can do it again. A new worksheet, back to data, a new worksheet, and agile calories, the column. Change it to average. Then we will drag coffee, group by default properties, aggression to average, and drag it to here. And then for the category, the rows, we're going to put like this. So we can have shortcut to quickly sort it. Okay, let's do okay. We want the colors, so we will copy into colors, and we choose the colors red, the easy colors, and we choose red green. No red green. Red green. We can reverse the number. Okay. Let's see that. See, we can change it to interior view. Change it to interior view. The last step, we will choose analyze sticks and drag average line to the pane. And not table, not cell, pane. So we can see 2 lines here. The color is if you want to change the lines format, then you will the lines color like this or more a slider, and we'll see it. Now we have finished our first sheet. Right, we will do the second sheet. This sheet is also use the Scrapbook manual, nutrition drinks Excel file, and we should do scatter plots. Do a scatter plots like this. Scatter plots. First one, we add a new sheet as name sheet 2. Mine and sheet file or maybe more. Choose sugar and calories. Just now we have choose calories. Now we choose sugar. At the same time, press Control to choose 2. Okay, let's do it. Now a new sheet. Day-2. We will drag the sugars. So sugars and the colors. We press Ctrl. For this broke sugars control, then we will put the show me to choose the scheduled plot. This is always rather very harder. Let's do it again. Do it again. It's not very easy. Scheduled plot is hard to make. So first, I have to choose calories and the sugar. Press Control. Then upper corner, we press Show Me. Choose the scatter. We can the scatter plots. Scatter plots. But we found only one point here, not the other one. Where's the other one? So, how do it? Then average to you. There are some. So if we average it, measurement average, also one. I drag forward tells to we drag a forward to details. So we will find. That's a very important, very key step. So we double control, choose calories and the sugars here, and change it to average. Then forward, we choose every forward to the details. So you will find the schedule right here. Now, if you see more color size, we will add coffee to color. Add coffee into color. Add coffee into color. And add coffee into size. If you have more coffee, a bigger circle. So you can say something has changed. Now let's do it again. With beverage, every beverage they have a coffee number, and if you want to say more, we drag coffee into color, different color, the dark color, the blue color more, the shallow is more, the lower coffee. Also drag coffee into size. The more the circle bigger, the lower the circle are small, and very small area, something like dot. So we will change the colors. Change colors first. Okay. Is that in stars? No. We will change the colors and size. Give it more beautiful. We'll change the color. Edit the colors. Automation. We choose red green. Okay. Let's choose step. No, okay. Reverse. Apply. Okay. This is not looks like not very good. Let's choose a diversion. Red green go diversion. Divert. Okay. I have more. Okay. And we pick size. Become more. Lower. That's okay. okay. Here. After I've done all this, we have a trend line. Just now we have to choose a average line. Now also we do this. We put our mouse to analytics, and we choose. Just now we have used average line. Now we use trend line. Trend line. You drag it to the picture. We find a liner. Logarithmic exponential polynomial power. We choose liner. So save. When the books are over the line, that means it has more calories than average. Lower. Yes. Whatever. Now we have finished the book sheet 2. We name it. Scatter plot. Categories. Scatter plots. We have finished the 2 sheets. We have already finished the 2 sheets. Have you finished it? Oh, no. Do it again. I will do it again. A new sheet. So we control calories and sugar. And we make show me scatter plots. When we all change it to average, sugar and calories average, and we choose forage, average forage to the two. So we will choose copying the color size. Color we change the color to the green diversion, red, green, or red, green. Apply. Size, we have more, a little bigger. So we choose analytics. We draw a trend line. We choose a liner. Yes. Have you finished yet? Finished it. we want to put the figure, we have broken it to 4 areas. We can use every line. Every line. We can treat every line and select this. Okay. Now back to here. Data analyze. We drag a trend line and drag every line. I should say. If we need coffee in the middle, we choose this kind of coffee. And the blue coffee has neither lower caffeine or lower calorie. This kind of coffee, I we don't choose it. We don't choose it. Okay. Now we will begin the third. We'll do the third sheet. How do it? It's a map. Map is hard for the computer. So how we do? We can put this. First, we go to file, because this data cannot have the location information. So we will go back to complete to a file. We choose the other access, a Starbucks location. So we open it, continue to it. Starbucks location. We choose new sheet. That's sheet 3. That's nutrition. That's location. This have different fields, different as the other. So we right click city, like city, like city. Then graphic row, we change it to geographic row. Choose the city or country or county, city or country. In China, we also use city, not county, because China is a lot of county than city. So let's do it. We right click city, geography rule as city, country as city, geography rule as city. If I want to do this, we double click state. Double click state, city, or right click add to sheet, easy, or double click. Let's start. Start. Let's start. Okay. Okay. Double click or add to sheet. You can have a map of this. If you are in Russia, you can use a Russian map. But our numbers are for China, not for Russia. So we drag it to here. This means this city, Xining, Ya'an, Lijiang, have all store Starbucks shops or coffee. We will drag store number. We want to find each city. They have how many strawberries shops there. So we choose store number. This and all these are all text store number. Store number two. What is store number? First time features store number. We choose store number to choose. Store number. Then we will right click it to show. Right click, and we will choose measure as count distinguished. Use count distinguished. Distinguished is though a city has too many shops. We will prevent to count it 2 times. So here, store number, we will choose measure. Measure means the count measure, count distinct. Okay. Click the label of store number. This is store number. We choose it. We choose the color. This means number is the bigger number is the color is different. You can say it's dark, as a shallow, in are different. You can also choose number to size and say that we have it. Now we will control this number to size. We have just changed it to the number. We press control, then drag it to size. That's the size. Then we will choose it level, the size is bigger. If you have more to say it, we choose color. We need the colors. We change it to red, blue, navigation, sunlight variation. That's okay. Okay. We will also see the numbers of the different city. They have the strawberry there. We will find Shanghai as the number is biggest, 736 shops store there. And Guangzhou, Beijing, Chengdu, the other city, for example, Xining, they only have 3 stores. That means if you are in Xining, you want to drink this dark work very hard. I mean, you must work for a long time. If you want to size, change the color, we click in border, and it's more border. Border, we give it number blue, you see. So much better. Then we will find finish the third sheet. Review. Change the name. Name it map. Right click, renew. You can also give them different colors. So that's easy to. So we have done 3 maps, 3 shapes. Now we put the 3 shapes into one dashboard. And we will find a dashboard. How to do it? Back to dashboard. So we 3 sheets are just finished. So we found a new dashboard. New dashboard. Now we have just done the sheets are here. So we drag it to the drop sheets here. It's okay. Drag this, drag spare parts, drag maps. Let's say. So interview just like this. I don't know whether you can catch that with me. The dashboard we have finished. Families with some people, with some straight. So copy in between the content so the door of Starbucks. You can choose it to link to the this is our first dashboard. It's a mini thing. So we have finished the first 2 parts of our lecture. Now we'll go to part 3. We will do a box plotter and Gantt plots. This plot is something harder. It's hard to do it. So let's do that. First, we use strawberries manual nutrition drinks to back to our first file, nutrition drinks. First, we will give a new sheet. So that's a new sheet. We choose strawberry manual drinks. Just now we are here, and now we back to Starbucks manual nutrition. And double click the bird characters or drag it to rows bird category. So let's do it. Now a new sheet before. We choose strawberry nutrition. Now just now we're here. Now we're here. It's okay. Now we're here. Now we will forward the categories to rows. Let's say for the category we have a lot of rows to do. Now the colors, colors the color, the color to cell separately. The colors to cell and color. And the colors average. It must be average. Color and to size. Choose it to average. You see it. No. Average colors, average category. So we change the color to the blue-red version. Blue-red version. Now red-blue version. So we will give it to reverse. Okay. similarly. Now we will give it a double color on the side separately. Change the colors to average. Now we will change to syntax to marks. The marks the text. Okay. Yeah. Change marks to text as it is. So we put a forward category to label. Over here. Complete. The text, not label. So we drag vocabulary to text. We change it. Oh no, let's change it to label. So cool. Here. Yellow. Text. A little bit. Oh. Now you can find it. Text for the text articles. So this is called word cloud figure. Okay. Word cloud map. This is called word cloud map. This is our first sheet. Is this of no. Now we will do the box and whisker plots. This is more important figure in our lecture. So we will see how to do it. Now we open a new sheet and make a borage, use control borage and for the category and sugar, the three of them, and click show me drive to find the box and whisker, box and whisker plots of this. Let's do it. Not one by one drag it, but control and use show me. This means you must have show me. So let's do it. So rename the form as word cloud. Rename. For curve and give another color. a new sheet, beverage for the category and sugar. Press Control to choose. Then we move mouse to upper right corner to take a show me. Then we choose box and whisker plots. So we have this. Now we also have the sugar security measurements to average. That's a bit different. If you want to sort it, you can sort it. Here is fastest measure. Right click it here and sort the third sort the result. Okay. Now sort it. First is 新兵乐. Now we see. Okay, 新兵乐. That's right. Sorted. Then rank the median on the post this post. So this box and the whisker plot means this is the highest, this is the highest, it's the lowest, it's the median, lower hand in the hierarchy. That means sugar in different coffee, their content. So we will find that that every bakery has a different sugar, and they are significantly different. But banana chocolate smoothie, this kind of coffee, their category at different kinds of chocolate smoothie, the sugar is in the almost the same level. So two types of frappuccino, two frappuccino have very high sugar content. Italian classes and pure coffee. Italian classes and pure coffee, they have very low sugar content. Espresso and smoothie, espresso and smoothie, they have a widely between products and smoothie series updates. Smoothie. I have just explained. This is the box and whisker plots mean. So I've done this. We will drag a coffee to color aside to find more information. Or you drag a coffee cutting to color and size to find more information. We find the color, have the color. We give it red, green, or the black version. Now we color size only to more bigger. Now we give it a border. We will give border like now we actually is an opacity to see. So that's good. It looks good. You will find different. Let us see. Now we find the average. We have 4 minutes. We will change it. How to change it? You can reverse it. reverse. Interesting. Okay, I'll finish this sheet. Just now we have done a box and a whisker plots and use control. You show me. That's a little harder. So we use another method of doing box and whisker plots. If you do not have the show me, like this, how do it? How do this? We will give more tips. So how do we do this? We'll do it again. Another sheet. How to do a box and whisker plots. Do not use show me. How to do it? We box and we drag forward the category, the columns, and colors, rows. Forward the two. Like this. We change the marks to the circle, change the marks to circle. Our marks. And to analysis, we back to analysis. And we'll drag box plot to worksheet. So review to worksheet. Okay. Not on this. Then we change the color and size. We also change color size. We'll drag the change it to average. Okay. Set. Small. Show colors. We give okay. We give a border. We give it sort. It's okay. And also the rules. So we got a box and the whisker plots. Another method of looking like this. That's okay. I have finished it. I have finished it. Yeah. Okay. This is sugar. This one is calories. They're different. It's the calories. This is sugar. So we change it to sugar. We need to change to sugar. Now we'll make a Gantt. Gantt is a little difficult because we have used some calculated fields. This is a little harder. Gantt is also known as crosswalk charts and bar charts. It's a bar chart that shows the inherent. Sorry. Okay. It's a bar chart that shows the inherent relationships between progress and projects, schedules, and other time-related systems, time-related system, as they progress through time. It is named after its creator, Henry Lawrence Gantt. So the name is Gantt. Here we have to calculate the business hours of each store. Business hours of each store, which requires calculating the difference between the opening and closing times. And each store, uh, 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 what time is it open and what time does it close? So let's do it. First, we choose the Excel file and change it to store box's location. Then we do not drag the field to the column rows. We in the blank space write and create a calculated field. Okay. How you calculate it from all. If you drag the created calculation fields, we will find a new dialog. New dialog. The name is have all numbers, all different with all font different. We use name the data differ, and double click it. So we choose it. Let's do it. Differ as our as the name of the then we use overtime. The first time it's different. It's so that's great. We it is a new sheet. We use stroke barrier location and in the blank space, like you right click here or here create the little dark blue and create a field. That's also okay. Maybe all to this. Okay. Choose differ. The number has to another screen. So we use another screen to do it. Or change a screen. We will do this. How to do it? We in the backspace, right click or click here, create a field. We will see the dialog like this. So we name it opening hour or name as you like. We choose date differ. Double click it here. This is a use hint here. So this part, so we use English comma and name, then comma, then start date. Start date is open time. Open time. We drag it to here. Then comma again. We drag the custom here. Then that's okay. This time, it's 2 times different as opening hour of the store. Okay. Now let's pay attention. It has a new field here. It has a equal, a comma equal here. That means you have created yourself, not in the file. You have created yourself. Then we will drag store name. Then we will copy open tab, change the string. Open tab. We copy it, duplicate it here. Then we will change it to string. We click here and to string. This is the data and time tab. We change it to string. We copy it and change it to string. Change the string. ABC. Change the string. Then we drag open time copy to columns. This is a number. And we drag the store name to the rows. So we will find which store, the open time, and the close time. Because over time, the year is very strange. Because we know 1900 has a computer, so the data 1899 is a stranger year. So we will change it to more locally. This is how do we do it? We intercepting the open time from, so we change it to filter. How to do it? Store open time. We format. No. Edit it. Edit it. So it's okay. This name is very strange. So name is Day-2. We only use 7:45 o'clock. So if this is a string, we should use let's say ret 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 6, 7, 8. 8. So we change it. Now we edit this field. We can use scatter named ret. Okay, string we use ret. So we can delete it. Ret string numbers. String is open time. Not this. String. String is string function. String open time. Now it's a comma. We use 8. So okay. We can say it change to time. which we all easily read. 7, 6:30. 9 as open 10. That's okay. That's what here. That's a little harder. Store name and copywriting work on this. Now, maybe you have ABC, change it to text. How to do it? We drag opening hour. I have found it. Opening hour. That's what I've done. To size, because the number. So you will find that it changes to ABC from the square to the square. Then we click T. Open directory here. We click T. Look at numbers here. You will remember here. Let's check. Change the automatic to count. So now we will change the automatic. We'll change the automatic to count. Countable. So the number and the slider are different. So we build a label to where it has label. We give it a little color and looks. I give it to middle. That's okay. Choose to alignment to the central. So you can see this. That's a little harder. So choose the label and change the font size of the font and alignment change it to center. Okay. Now, if you want to see which city, each city have how many stores, Stockburn hotels you have. So we will put opening hour to color the steps, which is more. So opening hour to color. So we give it a forecast alternate the colors location. We give to four steps. Okay. If their opening time is more than 24 hours, the color highest the color is the opening hour, bigger the opening hour is. So four steps, and we choose city to filters. Drag city to filters. Select all the three cities are here. So we okay. We show filter. We'll find here. Find here. If you want to know Guangzhou, click it. Nothing. if you want to know Guangzhou, how many birds here? Guangzhou. You'll find that. Lots of birds here. The highest, the earliest store is Bay Square. They opened at 12:45 in the morning. That's very, very early. And their everyday opening time is really 17 hours. That's too long. That's too long. So you can say. Also, we can say 安庆. We choose 安庆. There only one God. If you want to say Beijing, a lot of Beijing. But in Beijing, their door opening time for the earliest is金宝大厦店. So let's opening time. Let's give a thought. All right. Listen. Review. Narration. Let's see. The numbers are something not very. That's the fields. Started. Okay. So we have finished the noise as scientific scientific data. We describe, discover, predict, and give advice. So this is the part 2, part 3. Kant and the other. Back to our 3 focus. Now, in the last part of our lecture, we should choose to tell how to first predict, how to give the predict the picture. Okay. This time we will use a different source of data. We will use the data that have already in your software. Save the data sources. Remember, let's go back to the home page and find the save the data source. Then we will choose the sample superstore. Remember, I have get the first in the first one. So we sample first. Then sample first. We use a new sheet. Superstore. We drag a series rows already the column. I do it. We will change. Just now we have to do this again. We change the year to month. We'll find that is that's mostly long. So every month their user order sum continue. So we change all data to month, all data to month, you find this month. Now we back to analyze table. There has a trend line just now. Liner. you have a very clear trend of the sales sum. As year by year, the sum much bigger, but this every year, the add 29, every year make it 29. So we back to data level and right click the category. You show filter. You can show which kind of category have a very good sales sum. So we back to data and find the category for the data, location, product category. So show filter. So you also compare here. Furniture, office supply, technique. And also that if you want to say furniture, this. You want to say office supply, like this. Technology, like this. Little difference, almost the same. You can say almost the same. Okay. We have the different of this, but we now know how to predict it. So we should need back to on the table to drag a forecast. That's predict forecast of the sheet. The light blue color. The light blue color is and the band, the blue color band represents the upper and the lower range of the forecaster. Because the forecaster is not exact number, but upper and lower range, the range. Now we do it. We'll drag back to analyze. We'll drag the forecaster to the table forecast. You can find this. This is the actual. The dark blue is the actual. The shadow blue is estimate. So you will find how different. Furniture, they are very high. But technique, office suit, they're lower. You will say there are two trend lines. The focused trend line spider is more sharply than the actual one. This is the shallow blue is the predict estimated number. Now we choose the sheet. Double click as a crosstab tab. See, we choose this tab. Double click as a crosstab. You will see it has changed. Dark as a crosstab. So choose 7. Dark as a cross tab. You will see this tab. Now 8 is the predict estimated number every year. You say, which year. Now this is the actual number. The sales. This is a focus indicator estimate. I mean estimate every month the sales, their numbers, the actual numbers. Okay. So the key steps are the filters, analyze, use trend line, the forecaster, trend line, the forecaster, and use the to cross tab and see the exact number of the predict. You can change it later. So that predict 2 year, a year of the sales number. Okay, now we have finished our lecture this afternoon. Thanks. Let's give a whole summary. This afternoon, we have done a dashboard, a word clock, and a box and whisker plots. Then we use functions to do some thing about the coffee stores opening time and opening time of the day of the economy. Then we use the South office superstore number to give a forecast. It was very simple forecast. And to find the forecast actually number of every indicator. Okay, that's over. Thank you for all, my friends. Good afternoon. Bye.